See children, given here, you have learned in book 2 that adverbs tells us more about a verb. The dog was barking angrily. Just now I told you how the dog was barking angrily. So angrily is adverb. It is raining heavily. The girl laughed happily. The match will start early today. So all these ly words are adverbs. Now, see, in A, angrily tells us how the dog was barking. Just now told you. So it is an adverb which describes the verb was barking. Similarly, in B, heavily tells us the way it is raining. So it is an adverb which describes verb is raining. Now see, happily is an adverb which describes because it tells us how the girl laughed, which is a verb. In D, early is an adverb. See, early is an adverb because it tells us when the match will start today. Okay? So, a word, see carefully, put your finger and read. A word which tells us more about a verb is called an adverb. Followed? There are a few more examples. The baby was sleeping soundly. They arrived safely. Ranjan has been working hard all morning. See, hard is adverb, but it is without ly. Just now I told you when I was giving you the introduction of adverb. He writes well. Raja can run very fast. Now see, you must have noticed that most adverbs, as an example A to F above, end in ly. However, in example G, H and I, G, H and I, the adverbs hard, well and fast, these words are without ly. They are not ending in ly. We can form adverb from many adjectives by adding ly to them. Clear? Exercise A will provide you with some examples. Now see this. Soft, softly. Brave, bravely. Sad, sadly. Quick, quickly. Calm, calmly. Smooth, smoothly. Bad, badly. Neat, neatly. Bold, boldly. Slow, slowly. Now see, usually if an adjective ends in y, very important, usually if an adjective ends in y, you have to drop the y, see, and add ily to form an adverb. Example is easy. It's ending with y. This example EASY, it's ending with y. Then how you will form? Easy is adjective. Now you have to add ily and it will become adverb. So when y is there, you will drop y and you will add ily and it will be EASILY, easily. Similarly, happy ending with y, you will have to add ily and the spelling will be HAPPILY, happily. Here in this exercise B, you will get few words like this and you have to change the spellings. See, dear, dearly. Safe, safely. Hungry, it's ending with y. So the spelling will be HUNGRILY, hungrily. Funny. See, funny ending with Y. Spelling will be F-U-N-N-I-L-Y. So remember, when the word is ending with Y, you have to drop Y and add I-L-Y. Certain, certainly. Busy, here again B-U-S-I-L-Y, busily. Silent, silently. Angry, angrily, A-N-G-R-I-L-Y, angrily. Tame, tamely. Followed. Near, nearly. Tidy, tidy, tidily. Tidy, tidily. Careful, carefully. Clear? Now let's come to exercise C. What is here? What you have to do here in this exercise? Pick out the adverbs from the following sentences and point out the verbs they qualify. One has been done for you. See, we waited patiently for the train to arrive. Now you will ask the questions. Waited is verb. You ask the question, how did we wait? Patiently. So patiently is adverb and verb is waited. Every time you'll ask the question with the verb and you'll get the answer, that answer will be adverb. Second sentence. The nurse cleaned the wound gently. Now, how did the nurse clean the wound? Answer comes gently. So, gently is adverb and verb is cleaned. Why? Gently is qualifying the verb cleaned. See here. The children played merrily with the puppies. Now, see. How did the children play? Merrily. So, merrily is adverb and played is verb. Answer is coming merrily now. How did the children play? They played merrily. So, merrily is adverb and played, it's verb. Number 4, the boy politely asked us to sit down and left silently. Now, see, how did the boy ask? Politely. So, politely is adverb, asked, verb. And then how did he leave the room? Silently. So, silently, adverb and left is verb. Another sentence is, he slipped on the wet floor and hurt himself badly. Now, how did he hurt himself? Badly. So, badly is adverb and hurt is verb. Turn the page. Now, see sentence number 6. The child sat quietly in a corner and looked fixedly at the door. See, the child sat quietly in a corner and looked fixedly at the door. Now, how did the child sit? Quietly. So, quietly is adverb, sat is verb to which it is qualifying. And another adverb is fixedly. How did he look at the door? Fixedly. So, fixedly is adverb and looked verb. Followed. Number 7. The kite was flying high in the sky. How was the kite flying? High. How was the kite flying in the sky? High. So, high is adverb and flying is verb. Clear? You can write was flying, it's also correct. Number 8. He spoke to me kindly and generously offered me all help. How did he speak to me? Kindly. Kindly is adverb, spoke is verb. And how did he offered me help? Generously. So, generously is adverb and offered verb. Clear? Now, number 9. The man grasped the rope firmly and tied it quickly round his waist. Now, how did the man grasp the rope? Firmly. See, firmly is adverb, grasped is verb. And then how did he tie the rope round his waist? Quickly. Quickly is adverb and tied is verb. Number 10. He arrived late and was rightly told to wait. Now, how did he arrive? Arrive late. So, late is adverb, arrived verb. And was how was he told to wait? Rightly. So, rightly is adverb and told is verb. Clear? Now, exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the adverbs given in the box below. Number 1. The lid was screwed on dash and I could not open it. Screwed, you have to find out the word tightly. So you'll write here tightly. Number 2. You must not speak dash to anybody. Rudely. Here it's given rudely. Here. You must not speak rudely to anybody. It rained so dash that the valley was dash flooded. It rained so heavily that the valley was completely flooded. Number 4. He is practicing dash on the piano for the school concert. He is practicing regularly on the piano for the school concert. Number 5. Sam hurriedly finished his lunch for he had a long way to go. Hurriedly. Everybody laughed dash and dash at the joke. Everybody laughed loud. It's given here loud. It can be loudly also, but because it's given in the box loud, so we'll fill loud only. Everybody laughed loud and long at the joke. Clear? Number 7. Speak truthfully, said the king to the prisoner. Speak truthfully, said the king to the prisoner. The little boy was nearly drowned when he went all out all alone to have dip in the sea. I repeat this sentence again. The little boy was nearly drowned when he went all out all alone to have a dip in the sea. Answer will be nearly. All right. This exercise, all the exercises we will do in the, these exercises all you will do in the book, all these exercises, and I will check from the image and I will send you the image, you will check it. Clear? That's the end of the lesson. Bye-bye.